I know that most of beginners would like to learn this skill to pick up the shuttlecock from the floor. In order to pick up, you need to do the scooping action small and quick. You must have a right grip to be able to make the scooping action small and quick. This is the right grip. Room here. Why grip has to be like that? If you have this grip, you can make the scooping action very small and quick. The wrong grip is having the ready grip like that, or power grip. Ready grip or power grip will not allow you to make a small and quick scooping action. And in order to make a small and quick scooping action, you have to use a finger. And this grip will allow you to use a finger. But if you have a ready grip or power grip, your scooping action will be 5 times bigger and slower, like that, or like this. But if you have this grip, you can use a finger. Much smaller and much quicker action you can create. Number 2, make vertical and horizontal setting posture. What I mean is this. This is vertical setting posture. This is very difficult to scoop. You should make setting posture like this. Arm kind of vertical, but the racket kind of horizontal. Like that, like that. This will allow you to scoop it easier than like this. Not like that, like that. Now, how to scoop it? Like that, watch here. My finger here. And like this. Use your finger. With the shuttlecock, there. There. Watch. If you have this grip, your scooping action will be 5 times bigger. Or wrong grip will make big action. Now, how to scoop it? You have to use your action quick, but at the end, you have to release the power, relax, rather than follow through. Let the power follow through. Watch this. Here, quick, but here, relax. Quick, relax. Relax. But many beginners do this way. The power continues. So from here, power goes up to here. that makes the shuttle go away. You have to do it here quick and then relax here. Like that, not like this. Now next one. When you do that, you must feel the control at the end of the racket. You have to feel the power, feel of this part, the end part, that part, there, here, ends. Okay, this is what I mean. Have a look, this is right. I am using power here. But the wrong way, using power in the middle part, like this, and then nothing here. So look. So power goes here, like this, not the ends. Compare. The right, the wrong, use here, not like that. There, the ends, you must feel that way, not that way. The last, whatever right technique you may have, the most important, the final technique is believe it. Imagine you are going to do that. If you believe it, sooner or later that will happen. But many club players doubt it. Can I do it? I couldn't do it. How can I do it? And they do it with doubt. Then the right skill will not work. So imagine you scooping it nicely.